Yeah. Yes, you're audible.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar. So, today's topic is how you can enhance your community engagement using the vote or poll feature in your community. So, to have a poll feature in your community can bring a new engagement in your community so that people will react easily on the things you want to get feedback or the discussions you want to start in your community. So let's see how why you need the poll feature in your community website. So the major challenge in the online community website is the engagement challenge, which include like lower participation among the people. Like you have that much number of community members, but they hardly create any activity or do any sort of engagement. And there are a lot of quiet members in your community who never actually engage in any activity there, because most of the people do not like to share like what kind of activity they are performing. So being an anonymous, they want to be in the community, so people stay quiet and there are fewer conversations. So all the new members in the community see like you have less number of conversations and the slow feedback. So more how easily or how much people will communicate in a community uh, is important for any community manager or community site owner to get the feedback, like what kind of things you need to improve and how to grow that community. So this engagement challenge need a new feature which can help to recover all of these things. And here comes the poll feature. If you allow your members to create poll, or you can run a poll so all the members can interact on that. So the record of the poll is like the number of engagement we have seen is like at least 2 or 3 times of the normal engagement on any activity post there. And for better feedback, the poll is the best option. Like getting a any random feedback, it's better to select your priorities and get the feedback from your committee members, like which of these you guys would like to come next in the committee, or next to discussion topic, or next to the event. So the feedback is much crisp for you to take the right decisions. And there are easier actions, like voting on a poll is very easier task. And next up is instant interaction. People just have to click. They don't have to type or think about any more to write any to be in the part of the conversation. Like the for any poll, people can easily interact just by selecting the four of the options or the options you want to provide them. And it's simple and fun and effective way. Like for the kids also, we see like starting learning curve, the multiple choice options are the easiest way to learn something or engage something. So why the poll works, which I talked about, like one click participation is there, and everyone seems like they are voting for any topic, like their engagement is there. And based on the number of vote, if you take the community decisions, they will like are being heard in the community. So they will find a value, because people uh, are very conscious about the values, uh, whether they have been valued in the community or not. And next up is the zero effort. high response, and build habit for engagement. Like people like to vote more if they see more number of polls, and based on them, yeah, the community manager taking the decisions, or just the poll option on which they have ticked that poll option get the most number of votes. So these kind of engagement people like, and to be the part of habit. And it's a great conversation starter. You can simply ask yes or no poll and to start a type of conversation in your community. And where the poll fits, like if you are going to create the website on WordPress, so these are the four major locations where you can have the poll feature. Like with the help of the BuddyPress, you can create the community site, and there are two places where you can set the poll: in the activity stream, in the group activity stream, in the blog post section, and the pages. Like you can create a new landing page and have the poll option there. You can include the poll in your random blog post, and on the activity stream and the group activity stream are the same thing. Like for a dedicated group for the site wide, you can select where you can allow your members, or you can run a poll to get the better feedback there. So keeping in this mind, we have created the BuddyPress poll plugin. Okay, and why the community owners love it? First of all, is the quick member insights. Like you will get the overall a summary of the poll result to get the complete insights, and more comments, more better responses are there. And like the number of like, in terms of number of likes, you will find the number of poll results are much more returning for you. Okay, and people love it as a game also, so they return back for the next poll participation and help you to take the better decisions, like the more crispier solutions. And it overall increase engagement by boosting the activity in the community. And that's the sole purpose, to have such features in your community website. So having said that, uh, at WBCom Designs, what we do is like we create WordPress plugins and themes to create uh, to let you create a community platform. Like there is a plugin in WordPress which is BuddyPress, which offers you all these core community features, and we create the themes like BuddyX to have all these community features visible as a more professional way. All the activity stream and engagement and all the component of the community, along with supporting with the your website theme. So like in your active brand website, you can include this. And we have created a lot of BuddyPress plugins, and in along with that, we are going to do this webinar series by discussing each and every add-ons one by one. So in this series, we have selected this first one, the poll feature. And today with me is Ashutosh, our technical support person, and he is going to demonstrate us how you can implement this plugin, what are the features we have kept in them, like the core responsibilities for having a poll in the community, which I discussed earlier. Keeping in mind, we have created this poll plugin, and he is going to explain you every bit of it, and he will show you how you can easily set up in your community website, and how you can allow your members, and all the restrictions or limitations you can put up there, how can you monetize this feature, and what sort of integrations you can have there, and the complete styling option, and the report options. So over to you, Astos.
Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh here, QA for WBCom Designs. So today I'm gonna explain you
Can
about
you hear me?
BuddyPress polls. Yeah, you are audible. So today I'm gonna explain you about BuddyPress Pose. So basically, this is a poll plugin designed to interact with users. So don't confuse it with the name. BuddyPress Pose doesn't mean that it only works with BuddyPress. You can also use it with WordPress. It is not dependent on BuddyPress solely. It is also compatible with BuddyWorks, and we have more in store for you for the future updates. So this is the page for the plugin, which you can simply search BuddyPress poll on Google, and this will be the first page that will pop up. So this page contains the basic information of the about the plugin. You can watch the videos also. So the first thing anyone want to buy the plugin will like to test it. So we have try demo. So this is a sandbox for the plugin where you can visit and enter your email and log in and get straight into it. About testing the plugin, we have also documentation. You can visit documentation and learn more about the plugin there. And if you have more questions, you can also visit our support. We like to interact with our peoples who are interested in WordPress, BuddyPress. So if you want something, we also do custom development. So you can reach out for that also. So let's get straight in with BuddyPress Pose. So on this setup, I have BuddyPress Pose. Let me first demonstrate it. Like, this is a BuddyPress setup. You know what is BuddyPress? It's a community platform integrated with WordPress to eh, build a community. You can have a niche community, like for example, you are an anime fan, or like you have a news shows channel and you want people to interact there. So this is that. So when you visit your newsfeed, basically newsfeed or activity page, you will have a block to add post and communications, whatever. So you can select here post. You can write a question like, what is the most used AI? So like I use ChatGPT, everyone knows about it. Then we have Claude, obviously. I also like to use Gemini. And if you are using Twitter, you are generally familiar with Grok. So I have set up this, like I have selected options. You can add options. You can manage these options from the backend. We will get into it later. So you can also allow members to add poll. Currently, I am not allowing anyone. So after vote, after voting, you can also add a message like eh, thank you for your vote, or if you are niche community, you can also add basic theme related that option. Thank you for your vote. So from here, you can select profile or group. We will also go into a group and post a poll there also. Like, this is ready and I'm posting it. So this will look something like this. It will integrate very easily with your community. If you are using our theme, that's well and good. And if you're not, then also it will integrate really well. So like this is posted here. So I have enabled an option where you can't see the people who have voted until you have voted for this. So let me go to incognito. I have been logged in here as Andre. Here it comes. I've selected Claude. It shows that one person has voted, and there comes our message which we have added. And if we go back to the admin and refresh, there it is. And if I vote, then we can see who has voted. Andre has voted, admin has voted. So that's that. And if you visit a group, you can select here which group user you want, like tourist. So I have here, and you get here option to vote. So if you don't, if you have a like a private group and you want that people only involved in that group or a hidden group. So you can poll. So this is a poll, like I'm adding general content here. This is a poll, test 1, test 2, and you can also set the poll closing and update time, like I want it to close tomorrow at the same time. I've set it up. I have allowed members to add their poll options. And at last, thank you for your vote. So it goes like that. And we have also, like, you can vote here and it will show, like if I visit. So it's a public group. It will also appear in your activity here. I can add option, like I don't want to add those two option. I have my own ability to think. I'm gonna select a third option and add that. So you can do that also. So we also, like, when you install a plugin, it will automatically create 2 pages for you, which will be create poll and poll dashboard. So if you don't have a, like, BuddyPress community or like a BuddyBoss community, so you can also select this. It will create 2 pages for you. There you can create a, every user will get create a new poll option. You can also select who are eligible for this and who are not. So you don't want everyone to create a poll, you can stop them. You can select restrict user based on user role. So let's create a poll for WordPress. This is a poll. Hmm, let me select the content for it. So, okay, I've copied it. I've added description. You can select based on your requirement. So here you have options to create text, image, video, audio type, whatever is your requirement. Here I've created text space, text 1. You can add option based on your requirement. You want 4, 5, 10. You can add as many as you want.
I would like to see like
Yeah. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, Shashank, go ahead. So here we have selected, you can select that it will expire, never expire. If you say yes, then it will never expire, or you can select a date or time frame based on when do you want it to
like we can
expire.
have the images also.
Yeah, yeah. Do you want images? Let me select that. So here I go with images. You need to add URL. Here it is. So I have selected one here. Now I'm gonna go ahead with another one. I have selected 2 images. So you can choose when you want to show result after expire, or show result when you vote. It will already be showing result. I'm selecting after expire, and you have created your poll. Your poll is published. So this will be a page, like when you share. So for example, you have a LearnDash community. You don't have a BuddyPress community. You have a LearnDash community. You can, you are an instructor. So you can just click on this, create, share this link with your community, all the students, and put a poll there. So this is a poll, it has been published, and it will show like this. You can also add as a shortcode. Next, so that poll will show here. Basically, you have one more option and the backend setting. So you can enable these or disable these based on your requirements. Let me see. Here it will show all your polls. Like this, and you can select based on your whatever option you want to select. Like I have created a poll prior to this. And it will show something like this. It will show you votes, who has voted, who has not voted. Let's go back to the backend settings. So like I'm gonna explain you all the options here. So first is you can hide the option for like you don't want anyone to interact with polls. You can disable it here. This is multi-select option. If I enable it and go to front end, and if I create a new poll, so here I have allow member to choose multi-select option. Sorry, this is allow members to add poll option. We have already seen it. So this is hide poll result, like you want user to see the poll. If you want them like to see the all the result prior to this, you can choose this. Adding closing and date and time, adding images to polls, poll option limit. Like if you want users to only create 5 polls, 6 polls, you don't want to accumulate all, add too much traffic in your polls. So you can restrict here, like you can select 3 if you have a large community. Then you want to show in percentage or number, you can select that. You can also allow revoting. Like if a person has voted, they can again select any option. I don't want Claude, I can select that. I can refresh again. I want to select Gemini, I can select that. Wherever we enable display voter list, we already know it shows here. You can disable it, it will not show. And this is after poll messages. You can add restriction based on who can create polls, user roles, or member type. I have not created member type. If you create member type, here will be a more options to select member type. So next is poll settings. So let me show you something. I have deactivated BuddyPress, but my polls plugin is still active. So only the first option, that was community setting, was based on BuddyPress. So this will automatically create 2 pages for you, which I have already told. So first is poll dashboard. This is poll dashboard. It will show published, pending, and draft polls for you. And if I go to edit page, yeah, this doesn't, it directly embeds the code inside it. So this is rain theme. Here you can select sidebar based on your choice. Next is create poll page. Here is the poll page. We have already seen it. You can select like the option which we're talking. We can also add this in WordPress through WordPress. Here you can select if selected poll is published or pending review. You can hide or show votes. You can also add comment feature like this if I enable. So let me go back to like already created polls, and here we will have a comment. You can add comments like what are your thoughts about it, and you can select who can vote on these polls. You can also select the color scheme. Like here it is green. If I select another color, you can select it based on your site color. Next, it is email notification. You can enable it, disable it, admin notification, member notification. So these are only for the post types. You can select the admin user. If you are multiple user, you can also select them. And this is the email you will receive based on polls. So you can customize this based on how you want to thank them for the polls or results. Next, we have like you will have a WP poll section. When user will create poll, these all will be logged here. This is the log. Like what is the status of that poll? You can directly delete from here also. You can also add polls from backend. And next we how you want to integrate in these posts. Like I have created some posts. Let me select that. I have added a shortcode. So I'm gonna create a page. Polls added. Shortcode. Add this shortcode. So it will show something like this. You can also embed it, like if you want to embed a poll, you can also do that. It also will show your result how it is going on. So I don't want to add a shortcode. I have a lesson type and I want to embed this. Use the HTML tag, embed it. It will show perfectly for you. Next, so we also have a widget for it. Appearance. Let me enable BuddyPress to show you the widget. Widget. Here, this is the widget. But poll graph. This is a poll. What is the most? This is for community. Like we just created what is the most used AI. We can add it. Let me add this to my activity index. Here it is. This is 50% for Gemini and 50% for Claude. This will also show when you enter your dashboard. See, you can select option whatever. Thus, user can also see how polls are going and who are voting for whom. So what we have planned in roadmap for you. So currently the plugin is under development. We are thinking about extending it more. So we can provide support for Pipso also and integrate it more with WordPress. So you don't need to worry if you are not a BuddyPress or BuddyBoss community. You can use it based like if you have a WordPress community, LearnDash community, like us, like shop, like you can use it. Like what next product you want to show at your end. Shank, you can take it away from here. Hello.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you have any questions, Shank?
So this is so far all about the plugin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Hmm. I think I can't hear you on this stream.
Uh,
On
Hello,
this
Shashank.
stream, actually.
Am I audible?
Let me. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually, there was some technical problem, so that I was not able to hear you on this stream. But
Yeah.
yeah,
Do I speak again?
no, 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 that's fine. Like everything was there, only just for me that was something
Yeah.
great. So like all these features we have introduced in the poll are basically for the customers so that they can uh,
Interact more.
yes, they can interact more, and all the features, I think the possible feature we can see around us on various social platform, I think most of the things we have already covered there and trying to do. I i think there were much more options than there should be. I feel something like that, but I think these are the types of cases people come up with their queries, and based on them we need to provide the options for on or off of all these features there.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, so along with BuddyPress, which plugin the plugin completely integrate easily integrate there?
So you can use it with BuddyBoss also.
So we can disable BuddyPress or BuddyBoss platform plugin and still can use this plugin, or it's still tie up with the BuddyPress
No,
core
no, no.
plugin.
You can deactivate BuddyPress and BuddyBoss. That's why I said like you can have any type of community. You can use this plugin. We are also trying to integrate more with other plugins, and that's
Hmm.
in development. Like I will give you the breakthrough of this like
Hmm.
in the next stream or something.
Okay, great. So like right now all these features are combined with whether you want to use with the community directly or you can simply use on any
Yeah, yeah,
WordPress site. Like you can see it now WordPress poll plugin also along with BuddyPress,
yeah,
or you can use with BuddyPress platform both.
yeah.
Okay, sounds great. So uh, most of the what kind of questions we came around like this plugin, what kind of features people request more around this. I think the re-voting we already introduced there. Last
Yeah.
time I heard about that, like someone asking for re-voting features should be there, or they were
So
requesting for that.
recently I got a support ticket.
Mm.
Like they wanted it to have. Can you share my screen?
Yes, yes. You can
Yeah.
share your screen. I will show.
Okay. Let me go. Wait. Wait a minute. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So recently I got a support ticket for this.
Mm.
A user wanted that all his created poll
Mm.
should have a tab here. So I have provided this to my development team and they are currently working on it. So in next update, you will have a poll section here.
Okay,
When you
so
click on it, it will show you all the polls you have created.
for a member.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Uh,
I think all the video poll feature which we have
Yeah,
like okay.
you can also create video polls. Like this is the image one.
Mm.
I think last time there was some issue. I
Mm.
think it was not able to find the path.
Mm-hmm.
So you can create like polls for,
Having the image
uh,
selection, which image
yeah, yeah,
someone
yeah,
can use there.
yeah. Yeah. So here it is.
Okay, so
So
after voting, it will represent the number of counting of the votes on images also.
yeah, yeah. See?
Okay, great. Looks great. Actually, it's awesome. I
Yeah,
can say like in the activity feed also you can introduce this image
yeah,
or video feature.
yeah, yeah. No, not video feature, but image feature you can add.
Or in the activities, I think the videos
Yeah,
will be heavier and
yeah.
difficult to
So
choose them.
if we will integrate videos, it
Hmm.
will only make your community slow.
Okay,
So for example, if
on
you
a
do,
single page we have the options. We can have the videos.
yeah, yeah.
Uh, okay, great.
Okay. Mm, like this
So
poll only.
all these demo you are representing have a live sandbox demo. Any user,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
any of the
You
our
you
customer
just
can visit.
you just need to search BuddyPress polls.
Hmm.
It will be the first link that will pop up. You can
Hmm.
go select try demo,
Okay, I
enter
think
your email.
we should rename it WordPress and BuddyPress polls.
Yeah,
That will be.
that's the next phase of the development that is currently going on. It will take like some time because it will need testing also,
Hmm.
but that is the plan.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
was showing you
Okay, guys.
video.
If
Yeah,
anyone have any questions, you can leave in the chat or let us know. Or our support channel is there for any questions. Just visit wbcomdesigns.com and there you will have the options to show this support and
yeah.
create the support ticket there.
Let me show you like from here. If you have questions, you can navigate to support.
Hmm. Let me show you. Like this is a support path where you can
Yeah,
ask any questions like how's if you think like this might be the silly question or the silly options to introduce in the plugin, don't hesitate. You can always include that question and ask with us via our support channel. And that's it for today. And next up, we are going to showcase you all the other features we have created for the community website. Like all our major work is around like building a community website for you. So all our most of our add-ons are related to that only. Like so, next up, I think we should go with that business profile feature, which was the most talked about and the most successful add-on which we have created so far. And it actually introduced the page like feature, and we are going to
yeah,
discuss about that in our next webinar there.
Okay, great,
Okay.
Shashank. Have a great day, everyone.
Have a great day, everyone. Bye. Shoot. Mm. Okay, we can leave.